The other thing you may need to do is you may need to create a status or another panel in here for inactive patients. So to get to there, I'm going to exit out of these and go back to the main Wolf screen, and you go into configuration. You normally need to be an administrator to do this, so usually physicians or the clinic manager are able to do this, or some RNs, but that would be individual to your clinic and how things are set up. To create a physician, you go into View, Physician Service Providers, and Office Service Providers. This now opens up a box here, and you'll be able to see a drop-down of all of your providers within the clinic. To create a new one, you click on the white page, and it'll give you a collection of warnings about creating physicians. To create a physician, you'll go through and you'll fill in the boxes as they go down. So I'm just going to create a doctor called Test. You create the resource as a practitioner. Any of this information on here is unnecessary at this point in time. Other data, you make sure that when you go into this, you tick the Uses Appointment Schedule box and untick and make sure that's unchecked, as well as billing. Uncheck the billing box. Then that's all you really need to do, and you save it. Oh, sorry, you need to put an initial location in. And then your physician is added. So now, when you go back into the patient demographics for Christy, your test that we can use, which would then allow you to create a walk-in panel, a transient panel, a non-clinic panel, the various names that you may use. But the key thing is you have to have a way to identify people who are not patients of your individual clinics.